Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the top 3 Shopify subscription applications. These are the tools that are helping stores turn one-time buyers into loyal repeat customers. So, in number 1 we have Recharge subscriptions. Recharge is easily one of the most powerful and well-known subscription applications in the Shopify ecosystem. So, what makes it stand out? First, customization. Recharge gives you complete control over how your subscriptions work. Whether you want to offer simple monthly boxes, build your own bundle subscription, prepaid plans, or free trials, it integrates seamlessly with most Shopify themes and applications. The customer portal is flexible, letting buyers skip, pause, or reschedule deliveries without contacting support. That means fewer emails in your inbox. It also has robust analytics, which helps you track churn rate, lifetime value, and retention trends. What is the use case? Let's suppose if you're a skincare brand offering products, refills, or if you're a coffee roaster shipping weekly blends, Recharge lets you scale easily without breaking the customer experience. Recharge is best for mid-sized to large businesses that are scaling fast and need deep functionality. Pricing. There is a free plan with limited features for testing. But the Pro plan starts at $4.99 per month. Not cheap, but worth it if you're generating consistent subscription revenue. Its pros are, it is most flexible feature set, seamless mobile and desktop experience, great support team with onboarding options, and the cons are, it has premium pricing and it can feel complex for beginners. Next up, we have Bold subscriptions, another powerful application with a slightly more user-friendly learning curve. Here's why merchants love it. It offers a self-service portal for customers just like Recharge. The application is modular, so you can turn features on or off based on what your store needs. It also includes smart notifications, inventory syncing, and even dynamic discounting based on customer behavior. Bold also stands out with its analytic dashboard, helping you monitor MRR, retention, and churn with easy visuals. A good example, if you're a fitness brand selling monthly protein subscriptions or supplements, Bold flexibility and ease of use make it perfect for managing stock and communicating changes to your customers. It is best for merchants who want strong features but don't want to pay enterprise pricing. So its pricing is, it starts at $49.99 per month, and it also includes a 30-day free trial so you can test everything first. The pros are, it has a clean UI and fast setup. It has very customizable workflows, and it has better pricing for growing stores. The cons are, it lacks some advanced enterprise features. It has limited design templates for customer portals. Last but not least, we have Seal subscriptions, perfect for beginners and smaller shops. Here's the appeal. Seal is affordable and super easy to set up. It's one of the few apps offering a free plan that's actually useful, allowing up to 150 active subscriptions without paying a cent. You still get core features like subscription rules, customer dashboards, and email notifications. The application even supports discounting renewals, custom subscription intervals, and mixed card checkouts. A great choice if you're running a smaller apparel brand, an indie tea shop, and even a niche home goods store. It is best for small and mid-sized store that wants to dip into subscription without heavy investments. For the pricing, it has free plan with basic tools. For premium, it starts at $4.95 per month. Super accessible. The pros are, it is budget-friendly, mobile-friendly widgets, and solid reporting for basic needs. And the cons are, it is not ideal for large subscription volumes. It has fewer third-party integrations. Let's move on towards the final thoughts. Which should you choose? Here's a quick recap. If you're scaling big, Recharge is your go-to. It has most advanced features and integrations. If you want flexibility without enterprise cost, Bold subscription is a solid middle ground. If you're a smaller store or just starting out, Seal subscriptions give you everything you need without breaking the bank. Each of these applications has a free trial or free plan, so you can experiment before committing. And remember, the right app depends on your products, audience, and how much control you want over the subscription experience. That wraps up our deep dive into the top 3 Shopify subscription applications for 2025. Let me know in the comment section below which app you're using, or if you've had success with another tool I didn't mention. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.